Good morning, students. So today we are going to start the next poem, that is Childhood. The poem is composed by Marcus Nathan, born in 1975. This poem Childhood, it is about generally the poet feels nostalgia about his childhood days. He remembered, he recalled his days in past, that is childhood, and on that memory that he composed this poem Childhood. So when we look at the central idea of this poem before starting, that different stages are given here. One is the very first stage, that is childhood. Second one is that is about adolescent stage, adulthood, that is given here. And the last one, individuality. Different stages, because as a human being that we have to pass through different stages. We have to cross various stages. So the same stages the poet has tried to identify here. So here we can say the poet has tried here. What? The poet thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood, because in each and every stanza of this poem, the poet has asked again and again the same question. Which question? That where did my childhood go? This is the same question the poet has asked again and again. So that is why we could say that the poet thinks here deeply over the question of his childhood, that where did my childhood go? He didn't find the answer of that question. So next, and we know that childhood is a stage of innocence, right? It means symbolically we could say that childhood, it is a stage of innocence, purity, honesty, love. So various such qualities such features that we could add to this stage, childhood, or sincerity. So childhood is a stage of innocence where we are unable to differentiate between the things, that what is right and what is wrong, what to do, what not to do, that we are unable to differentiate. So it is a stage of innocence in which child believes others and loves unconditionally. Because we know that when we grow up, that time everything is based on conditions. If we do this and this one, then you will get that and that one. It means everything, it is based on conditions. So, and in childhood, that we believe on the things blindly almost, because we don't have the ability to differentiate the things, that what is right and what is wrong. So that is why an unconditional love, there is no condition, purity, sincerity, love. Poet has tried to identify some stages of life here, as I already told you in this poem, when his thoughts and perceptions are about the world changed, right? About the world, about the people, that when his thoughts and perception about the world changed, the poet has tried to identify. So this is what, in short, the central idea of this poem is given by the poet Marcus Nathan. So let us start the poem. When did my childhood go? Again and again I told you that the poet asked the same question, that where did my childhood go? The poet is now grown up. So that is why he tried to identify, that he tries to locate his childhood, where he lost his childhood. Where did my childhood go? Go means depart. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? The poet, it means made different here. The various guesses or the perceptions that the poet made here, that he guessed in a different way, that he thought that was it the day when I ceased to be 11. Ceased means stopped. C-E-A-S-E-D. You can note down the meaning of this word. Ceased means stopped. So was it the day when I ceased to be 11? It means the poet here wants to say that when he crossed was it the day when I crossed the age of 11, that 11 years age? That is the stage we could say that we start identifying the things. We start, or we could identify the things there after 11, when we cross 11 or 12 years age. So then it means we understood that time, or we try to understand that what is the difference between what the fact and fiction that we understood, and the difference between reality and imagination here. Was it the day when I lost my childhood? The poet says that when I ceased to be 11, when I crossed the 11 years, that stage, I realized the difference between fact and fiction, and becomes mature, got reasoning power plus. Because in this age, according to the poet, it is the first stanza is about rationalism. In your exercise, 3 words are given. In your exercise, you can check on the next page. First one is individuality in the first question. Second one is rationalism, and last one is hypocrisy. So these 3 words are given, and we have to identify the stanza in which these 3 words are used. So in the first stanza, this rationalism word is used. So the question comes here, what is meant by rationalism? Rationalism means it is a proof there. When we prove logically, when we try to prove anything logically with proper reason. Am I clear? Rationalism, it means behind thinking some proper reason is there. So that rationalism, with proper thinking, with proper reasons, with proof, everything. So then, was it the day I ceased to be 11? After 11 years, we are somehow able to identify the difference between fact and fiction, imagination and reality. We are getting the maturity. It means mature, we get matured, got reasoning power, it means rationalism. So next, was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? So was it the time when I realized that hell and heaven, right, about which the poet had been taught since his childhood. Am I clear? Alright, isn't it? The poet had been taught since his childhood that's about hell and heaven. The poet says that, was it the day when I realized, when I understood that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? We know that hell and heaven could not be found in any textbooks, nothing. And geography textbooks, we know that in that textbook we could find the different places or the locations. But here in geography book, that we could not find the location of hell and heaven, these 2 places here. Because why? Because they did not exist. So that is why we could not find these 2 places here. Actually they did not exist. So that is the reason. And could not be located anywhere in the world, because they did not exist in reality. These 2 places, hell and heaven. And when we understood it, when we crossed the age, particular age, 11 years, 12 years, that time somehow the maturity comes, and therefore could not be, was that the day? And therefore because they could not exist, or they did not exist, so that is why we could not find them in any geography textbook. So was it the day when I lost my childhood? So when did my childhood go? The poet has tried to find out the answer of this question here in the first stanza here. And we know that hell, heaven, these are only the fragments. This is what only the part of our imagination, nothing else. Hell and heaven. if you do something good work in your life, that you will get the place in heaven, and if you are committing the sins or crimes, etc., that you will get the place in hell, or all these things here. And if you do something good, heaven, and wrong, for wrong, that is hell. So these are the just according to the poet, that these are the only rumors. We could say that this is not the reality. Was it the day when I lost my childhood? So now in this way the poet has tried to give the answer, try to find out the answer in the first stanza here. So now in the next video module, that we will discuss some things from this first stanza, and then we will touch to the next stanza, that is stanza number 2. So we will stop here. That's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.